Hi, my name's Joe Hogan, and I'm posting my reflection video for the lesson that I post on to Thinkfinity. I think it went really well. I've taught this lesson a couple times before, but this is the first time I did it using any Thinkfinity resources or anything from Read Write Think. I enjoy this lesson. I think the kids enjoy this lesson. It's fun when you can take something like a cartoon and bring it into the classroom and have the students enjoy learning without realizing that they're actually learning. I think that the Read Write Think interactive for Freytag's analysis was very useful because I've always had the kids do their Freytag's analysis on pencil and paper, which you still can do, but this is nice because they're able to move it around on the line, and they can change the order, and it just makes for a much neater, cleaner, more put together product, which has always been a problem in the past. I mean, some of the ones I've gotten in the past have been complete and detailed and everything else, but they look terrible because kids haven't spaced it out correctly or have had to erase or move things around a lot. And so this is just kind of a very easy, very time-efficient way for them to put all their information in and present it, and then they have that for when they're moving on to the next part of the lesson. A couple of the problems is you do have to have Rover on the iPads to make it work because of the iPads not using Flash, and it's not a big deal. It's just you have to make sure that the kids know to use their finger movements very slowly, because if you don't use it slowly, they just won't pick it up. Like, you'll see kids going like this, trying to get the title over to where it's supposed to be on the Freytag line, and it does take them there's a little bit of a learning curve in how to interact with the Rover app, because it does take a little bit of thinking time on the app's side to get it to react. But once they get that down, I think they enjoy it a lot more than having to sit down there with pencil and paper like they do every day and write out something that may or may not work and then have to restart over and everything else. So I think it was overall a successful lesson. It's definitely a resource I'm going to use in the future. It's one of the more useful interactives I've actually seen on Read Write Think, so I was very fortunate to be able to come across that. And that's it. So hope you guys enjoyed the lesson, and that's it. Have a good one.